There's a nice cliff down there. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold this little bitty
okay.
pecker bush for you.
Thank you.
Said I wanted to poke you.
Thank you. Ooh, cool path.
Does it remind you of Blair Witch?
Yeah.
What's up?
I gotta shake the camera more if it's gonna remind me of Blair Witch.
Yeah, you got one crayfish and you got a bunch of shiners and chubs.
Oh, there.
Down there before.
Oh, check
boy,
them out.
Got into a nice school of them there.
Cool.
Got into a nice school of them under there.
We call the red maple up there. Does
This
it
would be
record
called a
voice
black
too?
ant. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, that is beautiful.
You got a bug on your neck. There we go.
I hate when that happens.
Oh yeah. Hell no. I can do it from the other side.
Don't touch nothing. Don't touch no leaves.
How about you stay this way and I'll stay on this side?
Yeah, stay away from that edge.
How's it going, John?
Oh, Tay.
Hear me roar! Roar like a lion going.
Can we hold that earring?
Just be careful videotaping all that stuff on the edge, man.
Close to the edge.
Close to falling just now.
Oh man.
It's like this.